Sidechain compression is the process of controlling the volume of one signal by a compressor through an external signal. It means when the external signal hits the compressor, it will lower the volume of the channel where it's at. In this example, I have one synth pad. That's it, and I have one kick drum going on, nothing special, just doing some quarter notes. If I play them together, well, you can hear both of the instruments, but they're clashing in the lower part of the spectrum. And every time the kick drum comes in, there's like a fight, like a volume fight, and it just gets muddy. So what you can do is, as I said, you can just put a compressor on it, and this will work with every compressor that offers side chaining or external side chaining. Put the compressor on the top of the channel, in this case the normal Ableton compressor, and click on this triangle on the left side, and then you just need to turn on the sidechain compression. And then you need the external signal I was talking about. You go for, in this case, you could just go for the kick drum. If you have a full drum rack, you can choose which source is supposed to trigger the compressor, and in this case I will go for the kick drum. And then you just need to adjust the threshold, so it just starts triggering the compressor, and it's already ducking the signal, as you can hear. Well, this was a very simple example of sidechaining. It's a very easy concept, so I try to also make it very simple for you guys. Although it's a very characteristic kind of sound from electronic music, trust me, you can do a lot with it in your own mixes, in every genre, in pop or rock or whatever. You can get very creative, and there are a lot of parameters that you can work with that I'm going to talk about in my next video. Don't forget, it's not just Ableton and the compressor in Ableton. There are a lot of compressors that work with sidechain. My favorite is the H-Comp or H-Compressor from Waves. You can do a lot with that compressor, and also almost every stock compressor, also in Logic Pro X, they offer sidechaining, so you can just work with them and you don't have to pay for a lot of plugins. These are just tips. Be creative, just try to make something new. If you have any questions, just put a comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe.